Okay, question number 1. Absolute value of negative 18 minus absolute value of negative 21. So absolute value of negative 18 is 18. Absolute value of negative 21 is 21. And the answer is negative 3. Next. Absolute value negative 10 minus absolute value negative 16. Actually, let me make it more interesting, negative 16. So what do we have? Absolute value negative 16 is 16 minus 16, and that is equal 0. Next. So a temperature recorded in Antarctica was negative 124 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature recorded in the Sahara Desert was 129 Fahrenheit. Okay, how many degrees warmer is 129 than negative 124? Okay, how many degrees warmer is 129 than negative 124? So what we need to do, 129 minus negative 124. This is gonna be equal 129 plus 124, and that is equal to 253. Number 4. So we need to evaluate 2x minus y when x is equal 7, y is equal negative 11. Okay, so 2x minus y is equal to 2 times 7 and minus negative 11. So what we are getting, 14 plus 11, and we get 25. Number 5. Negative 3 plus 2 minus negative 30 minus 10. Okay, well, let's solve it. Negative 3 plus 2, it's negative 1. Negative 1 plus 30 minus 10, right? Because we have here negative in front. So it's going to flip the sign in the parentheses. So from here, negative 1 and 30, it's going to be 29 minus 10. Result is 19. Number 6. Negative 19 minus negative 3 plus negative 9 minus 16. Okay. So what do we get? Negative 19, it's going to be plus 3 minus 9, right? Minus 16. Okay. Let me shrink this a little bit. Oh, okay. There we go. So this way, this is also okay. So from here, we are getting negative 19 plus 3, negative 16, minus 9, minus 16. Negative 16, negative 9 is negative 25, minus 16, and negative, negative, we are adding and we're using negative sign. open my video, previous video, when I have the template, and it's gonna be negative 41. Yes? I highly recommend in my previous video, you have the template how to add and subtract. So keep it in front of you and when you do this calculation. If addition subtraction of numbers, integers, it's not your strong part. Number 7, negative 6 minus 24 plus negative 12 is equal. So negative 6 is going to be positive 6, right? Minus 24 and minus 12. Because when you have positive, it doesn't change anything. So 6 minus 24, it's going to be negative 18. Negative 18 minus 12, it's going to be negative 30. Number 8, negative 18 plus negative 1 and minus 11. Okay. So we're writing down negative 18 minus 1 minus 11. So negative 18, negative 1 is negative 19. Negative 19, negative 11 is negative 30. Yes? Question number 9. Negative 19, negative 20. It's negative 39, right? Question number 10. Negative 19, negative 9. It's negative 28. Yes? Question number 11. 1 minus 17 is negative 16. Okay? Because when we have positive and negative, we subtract and we use the sign bigger number. So 17, well, bigger number, we use absolute value. So 17 and 1, 17 is bigger number, so, and it has negative in front, so we use negative based on template. Number 12, 24 minus 26, negative 2. Number 13, negative 6 minus negative 2. Okay, here we have to open parentheses because it was negative, and in front of parentheses negative. We flip the sign within parentheses, it's going to become positive 2, and the answer is negative 4. Positive, negative, we subtract, and we use the sign of bigger number. And the last one, number 14, we have 14 minus 25 is equal negative 11. Okie dokie. See you in next video.